Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Lexus LS. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include rear parking sensors, power door locks, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, stability control, traction control, and power windows.